Hey everybody, Craigleidheiser here, coming at you with some DoorDash tips. Today I wanted to talk to you about the must-have apps that you need if you're going to be a DoorDasher, or be a successful DoorDasher. The number one app is the actual DoorDash app, not the Dasher app, but the app that you use to order food from DoorDash. And the reason why you want to look at this app is because you want to see what restaurants got free delivery, what restaurants are offering specials, where you can go, where you'd have a best chance for getting the most orders, and that app will help you with that. The next app is Google Sheets. You can put it on your phone. It's a free app, but what you want to do is you want to record your tips and your income on a spreadsheet on a daily basis. And the reason why you want to do that is at the end of the year you want to make sure that your 1099 matches up with what you have stored for what you actually put in your bank account each week. So make sure you put that one on. The next app is MileIQ, or a similar mileage app. You want to track your mileage to know how many miles you put on your car during your time door dashing, and if you itemize, it is deductible. The next app you're going to need is, in my opinion, is Audible.com. You being a DoorDasher, you're an entrepreneur, you need to put good things into your head, and listening to music all day long is not going to do that. You need to get some personal development books, and a couple of them that I recommend is The 50th Law by 50 Cent, Think and Grow Rich, The Law of Success, and anything by Jim Rohn. Great audiobooks, put good things into your head while you're door dashing and driving. The last thing you need, if you're going to be a good DoorDasher, is you're going to need a page builder. And why do you need a page builder? Page builder is going to be able to promote you and your door dashing business so that people will sign up for your referral link. Nothing is better than getting a $500 referral bonus for somebody that used your link to sign up, become a DoorDasher, and go make 250 or 240 DoorDashes. Once they do that, they get a $50 bonus, and you get a bonus. Generally, it ranges anywhere from $250 all the way up to $800. But if you build a page, put a video on that page, and send it out on even on your social media, it's going to be worth the $25 you need to pay to get that page builder. The link for that page builder is in my description below. Those are the tips. I hope you use them. Keep door dashing and keep an eye on and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit my subscribe button. I got more tips and tricks coming down the road for how to be successful with DoorDash. So with that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.